Hey, good morning, all. It is morning too. It's going to be a senior moment. A lot of people like to watch me make something rather than just show one of my country music signs or something. So today, last video, I made these little centering jigs for centering the bases on the routers, and the boss, Vicky, told me she wanted something to inventory them. So I told her I'd make up a little block so I'd keep a dozen or so of them made up. So what I did is I just took this tube of 6. I put this, I'm not going to show you how I did this. I just put it in the laser and just lasered that centering jig. Then I made marks. I took my pencil, just made a mark down both sides like this. I put my finger on the edge, made a mark down the side, then I went from the center 2.5 inches out on each mark, and that's where the holes are going to be. And I set up my drill so that I'm not going all the way through. So I'll show you. I'll just drill a hole and show you what it's doing. I could speed this up a little bit, but it'll still do the job. And that's the way it's going to fit in there. So I'll make 6 holes in here now. You could get, if you wanted to, you could get a block around this size and drill holes in it for putting your router bits in it. And if your router bits are still in the tubes, you could drill a big enough, like a 1/2 inch hole, so that the whole tube and router bit would fit down in there. I've done that for years. I've made blocks like this to hold router bits. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and drill 6 holes here. Then I'll show you what it looks like when I get it done. I've got the holes all marked. By the way, this is when I made these marks on here, I took this, made sure, put it on the marks, make sure that the holes were directly opposite of each other. Now this would drill a little faster if I had it going a little higher speed. For wood, you can have it going a pretty high speed, but this is fast enough for now. Every once in a while I want to drill a piece of metal. And if I drill metal, I want to slow it down a little, so I'll keep it at this speed for now.
Looks like you're getting your room somewhat organized, huh?
Yeah, I'm beginning to. I got a lot of my country music signs up on the wall. Got some of my shelving units made over behind me. And it's, I've got a little work to do on it yet, but this concrete floor is kind of hard. I'm going to get some rubber mats and put in front of these benches one of these days. But so far, it's working out pretty good for me.
So I guess you like those Harbor Freight benches, huh?
Yeah, I like the Harbor Freight benches. I don't like this Harbor Freight drill press, but it's not too bad. It's for just a cheap drill press. I paid like $120 for it, something like that. And a good drill press this size, a really good one, cost about $500. So. Okay, there's 6 holes. Now, can you see this now, son?
I think so. Let me tip the camera down.
So this is all this is just an inventory block. I'll drill more holes in there so it'll hold, well, 3, 6,
About a dozen?
Yeah, it'll hold
Yeah.
6 more there and 2 more here, so that's 14.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'll just keep a half a dozen or a dozen of them made up ahead of time. And that way when Vicki gets ready to ship one out, she just has to take one out of the block. But anyway, that's what it is, and that's my senior moment for today.
All right, let me get one more shot of it there. Okay. And in case somebody doesn't know, that's a centering jig for the for if they bought a blank base.
Yeah, if they bought a blank base, but I explained all that on the last video.
Yeah, that would have been episode 15.
Yeah, because I showed how I made that on the last video. And it's just a centering jig for when you put if you have a base like this, and you have a blank that you put on, this goes down just to help center it.
Yeah.
on the armature on the router. So
Okay.
anyway, that's my senior moment for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.